So hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we'll be talking about the things that are related to SFTP, SSH file transfer protocol. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel like this particular video so you never miss an update. So starting out the video, SFTP, SSH file transfer protocol. So SFTP is a secure alternative to FTP for transferring files over SSH. It provides file access, transfer, and management functionalities of a secure channel. Here's how it works. So before getting started, I'll click to my YouTube studio and click on create and then upload videos. I'll click and select on the file that I am recording. Within a second, I'll click on here and click on the video that I'm recording. This one that I lastly recorded basically, which is how to run a Python script. I'll just cross it up, which is my YouTube tab. I'll again cross this thing. Anyways, this is the thing. Control A and then Control V. So how to run a Python script and cancel. So I'll click on next and then I'll click on no. So next, and this is how I publish the video, and you can access this on our channel. So I'll cross this up, and so we're talking about SFTP, SSH file transfer protocol. I'll come up here. I'll copy this thing again. So first connect to the server using the following command. This is the username like this. So SFTP and then your IP address user at the rate of remote server IP address that thing. So to upload a file to your to upload a file to your remote server, you can particularly go with this. So to upload a file to your remote server, you use put or mput if you are transferring multiple files. Put smtp file.py node move into the directory in which you want to replace the file, or else it will be stored in the root directory. You can use the R option, or it's like or static to upload a folder as seen in the SHP SCP example above. Anyways, a secure shell SSH protocol. SSH is a cryptographic network protocol that enables safe communication between two systems by encrypting the data transmitted between them. First, connect to the server, which is SSH username at the rate IP address. So specify the port if you get an error. Unlike the errors, SSH uses a small p SSH p 6000 root at the rate 31.220 dot 57.32. Now use SCP to transfer the files to your VPS. If everything is working correctly, you should see a progress bar that will alert you when the process is complete. Second one is make sure Python is installed on your VPS. First thing first, ensure your VPS has Python installed. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed, but you will have to install it manually if you don't own a VPS. To check whether or not you have Python installed, run this command Python and then hyphen and then version, or Python 3 and then version. If your VPS has Python installed, a version number will be displayed. That's how it looks like. You need to access that this like this. So Python 3.6.8. This is the version of the Python. Sometimes Python can be saved in a different location. To view these locations, use the which command as well to make it like which Python or which Python 3. Python 3 is like the version. Basically, most of the computers have a Python 3 version. So that was it like this. So if Python is not installed, you will receive the following message, which is like this. And as Python user Python, you will not see the thing. So bash Python 3 command not found. So if you have used this which command, you will receive a no Python in path error instead. This is how it looks like. Here's how to install Python for different Linux distributions. Ubuntu, Debian. So first update the package index for the following sudo apt update. So then install Python 3 and the Python pip package. So sudo apt install Python 3 Python 3 pip. So send osrhel. For the send osrhel 8 to use the following sudo dnf install Python 3 Python 3 level Python 3 pip. For send osrhel 7 use these commands sudo. This is the commands look like arch Linux. This is how the commands look like Fedora and open source. These are all of the commands that how they look like. So the next one and third one is make your scripts executable. So before executing the Python script, you need to make it executable. Turning your script into an executable converts it into machine language your VPS can understand. To make your file executable, add is like shebang line. Shebang is a special declaration that tells the VPS which interpreter to use, and a Python shebang to the top of your script. That's how the things work in this. So the next one is unleash. So it's like forward slash unleash. Shebang informs the VPS that the file is a Python script. So it would invoke the Python interpreter to run it. To add a shebang, add it the script using Nano, a Linux text editor. First, go into the edit mode, nano dot forward slash executable dot py. Add a shebang on the top of the script and press Ctrl plus O to save. Hit Ctrl plus X to exit. That's how it will look like. So this is the interface that will appear out there. Next, navigate to the folder containing the file. That's how the file, like cd file to, and then file. Now you have to access to the permission to the executable using the following command. These are the commands out there. So the chmod command in Linux stands for change mode, and it is used to change the permissions of a file or directory. Each file or directory in Linux has permissions that determine who can read, write, or execute it. These permissions are represented by a series of letters of numbers known as the file mode or permission mode, and the chmod command above that executes that. So that was it for this particular video. Hope you have liked it, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.